Hello students, I am Assistant Professor Tanavre JG, Department of Physics, Raja Sripatrao Bhagwantrao Mahavidyalaya, Aund. Today we are discussing the point from the chapter Gravitation, the motion of particle in a central force field. Now, central force, a force is said to be central force if it is always directed towards or away from the fixed point. Let's consider O, and its magnitude only depends upon the distance from the fixed point. The particle is said to be move in a central force if the force acting on particle satisfies properties of central force. Now in this figure, let's consider this is the origin, this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, this is the z-axis. Let any object or particle here of mass m, and this OM is represented by small vector r. It is position vector. Therefore, the central force we can write mathematically. The central force vector F vector r is equal to vector n into F of r. This F of r is the magnitude of vector F of r, and in this equation vector n is a unit vector, where n cap is a unit vector along position vector r. Therefore, vector F of r into a unit vector, this is the central force vector F. Now, if vector F of r is less than 0, then there is the force of attraction or attractive force between that two particles. If vector r, F of r greater than 0, then it is a repulsive force or repulsion between these two particles. If a particle moves in a central force field, then the following properties holds. First is the path of particle must be a plane curve, that is, it must lie in a plane. Second property, the angular momentum of particle is conserved, that means angular momentum is constant in time. And third property, the particle moves in such a way that the position vector sweeps out equal area in equal times. In other words, we can say that areal velocity is constant. This is referred to as the law of areas. Now the central force field, the central force is given as F of r is equal to vector n into F of r. Since the central force is conservative, we can write vector F of r is equal to minus vector del dot phi of r, where this phi of r is potential energy in is a scalar quantity. Hence, vector del cross vector del phi of r is equal to 0, because curl of gradient of scalar function is always 0. Therefore, del cross f of r is equal to 0. Thus, the central force, whose magnitude is a function of distance from the center, is conservative one, for which the principle of conservation of total energy holds good. So this is the motion of particle in central force field. Okay, thank you.